Hey guys, welcome to another episode about R programming. In today's episode I am going to show you how to run your code in real time from command line. When you install your R base, you are going to be able to run R from your command line. So just use this capital letter R and press enter. Now this environment in front of you, it's what is called R session, and in here you can run your R code in real time. So I'm going to say assign value of 10 to A, assign value of 20 to B, and print A plus B. If I press enter now, I'm going to get my result. And in upcoming episodes I'm going to talk about loops, and for now I'm just going to show you how to use loops from command line. So let's say that I want to run some code 5 times. I'm going to use for loop. So this loop is going to run 5 times. Now, in order to write loop, I'm going to open my squirrely brackets. And you see now that we have this plus aside. That means that code that is going to be written in here, it's part of this particular loop. So first I'm going to create variable b, and I'm going to assign value to it a plus 1. And in second line I'm going to print value of b out. Now, in order to close this loop, we are going to use another squirrely bracket, like this, and now our code is executed. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Finally, you should know that every R session is unique. If you create variable or object in one R session, that variable or object is going to be isolated from all other R sessions. So if I type Q, I'm going to end this R session. I'm going to clear my screen. I'm going to start another session now, and I'm just going to print value of A. You see, object A not found, because object A is actually part of session that we just closed. So guys, this is all for this episode. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and see ya.